Hello sunshine seekers, my name is Nikira and we are Spainhomes. Today I am in the unique location of La Manga de Mar Menor, overlooking two seas. You've got Mar Menor, Europe's largest saltwater lagoon, as well as the Mediterranean Sea. This unique location today gives us a splendid opportunity to present a property that is different from the ones we normally show, in the sense that it is designed tightly and perfectly for those that are wanting to do an investment here, to get return on rental in an area and location that is thriving with tourism now and will do in the years to come. And so this is actually a model that is designed for those that are wanting to maybe use the property for a small period of time throughout the year and rent in those higher months of the season. This particular development is called Miami Towers. Miami Towers is a development of 3 towers located in between both of these seas. It is apartments they feature that are 2-bedroom and offer beautiful views. So check it out. They are currently in construction, and the apartments offer 85 square meters, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. You get the ground floor apartments that have spacious gardens and the penthouse that have access to their own solarium. So without further ado, let's kick off the tour. As I come in through the front door, the specifications of the front door are such that you have here your automatic lock system with no need for a key, and also you have your peephole here so you can identify who is knocking at the door. You also have, as you come in, a very nice, bright and lovely inviting entry that leads immediately to the open plan living room, dining room and kitchen. Altogether, this living space is 31 square meters with a ceiling height of 2.6 meters. You can see that the actual tones of the living space are in the sand, champagne, light, bright coastal colors with accents of wood throughout. You have here large patio doors within the lounge area that open out fully. They are Technow doors, and they also enable you integration of the outdoor living spaces. But what they also do fantastically is blot out a lot of the noise that you may experience. Coming from the living area into this spacious dining area, you have here a dining table that is set to dine 6. And I love how they've actually incorporated it into the design of the central island, actually making it so much of a feature for people to entertain. They've also thought about the specifications, including extra storage. So you have in here, for example, your automatic boiler. You'll also have your washing machine and your ironing board, as well as your iron. For those that come to rent and stay, they have absolutely everything they could possibly need to be here comfortably. You have your crockery provided, as well as appliances, for example, your toaster, your coffee machine, etc. So what I'm going to now do is take you over to the other side of the central island. This central island is next to your dining table, and it features inside it your cooking hob. All of the appliances are Bosch, and this actual hob is such that it has your integrated extractor within it. On one side you have a breakfast bar for 2, and then on the other side you have here deep cabinetry, which has been actually stocked to have all of the kitchen things that you might want and need if you are staying or if your client is renting. Over here you have a continuation of your countertops and your cabinetry with your sink in the middle. You also have your dishwasher. To my side you have your wine chiller as well as your oven. And then on the other side you also have the refrigerator and the freezer. Now taking you over this way, is an interesting space because this door opens up to another extension of your living space. Here you have a lounge that is 11 square meters, maintaining the same ceiling height and also with patio doors that lead to its own private terrace. But what's really nice about it is that you can close up these doors very easily, and with the sofa bed already provided for you on the interior, this could also be your additional third bedroom. Now I'm going to take you over the way to have a look at the other standard bedroom quarters. This would be the main first bedroom, and as you can see, this bedroom has a nice interior feel. You have the LED lighting, you also have your bedside tables and a spacious bed. On one side you have your fitted wardrobes, and then on the other you have again those large patio doors that lead out onto the same terrace. Now taking you back into the living space on this side, you also have your main bathroom, which is fully equipped. And now all the bathrooms have underfloor heating. You also find that the specifications of the apartments are such that you have your air filtration system, it is connected to your smart home, and you also have hot and cold air conditioning throughout. So taking you across the way through the living area, I'm now going to take you into the primary suite. The primary suite again has a nice inviting feel. You have these sand coloured stone floors that are continuous throughout. It leads to your integrated wardrobes and then also leads to the main heart of the bedroom. Here you can enjoy that you have great views of the beach. Directly you have views there of the sea. You have a large door as well on one side that give you direct access to the gardens and the swimming pool, and for your comfort you also have an ensuite bathroom that is fully equipped. What has to be said though that comes with the master suite, unlike the others, is that in your wardrobe you also have your deposit box, which is great because it's in the bedroom for your comfort, and then you also have an additional wardrobe that you can also lock for when you are not here. So as we come out of the lounge area, I'm going to take you through these very robust technal doors into the outdoor living terraces and the entertainment space for the family who choose to rent here. You have this sheltered area that I'm stood underneath, which is beautifully cladded actually in wooden carpentry, and also giving you shelter from the sunshine should you want it. But you also have, as it comes into, an artificially lawned, lovely dining spot with a dining table here that is set to dine 6. Then it comes into the expanse of the actual garden terrace space where you have your sun lounging area, and you also have your rectangular swimming pool there for the comfort of those that are wanting to take a quick dip. At one end of the swimming pool, you do also have there your outdoor shower for the comfort of the swimmers. And I do really like the iridescent feel of the swimming pool. And then you also have this doorway that takes you to your own private access to the very shoreline of this beautiful sea that we are overlooking. Within a moment, you can be right there with your deck chair, enjoying that expanse of peace and sea. Here I am a little bit further up higher in the building, and I am in one of the apartments that are built and made to look exactly the same with the interior. But check out this amazing view. I can see right here the Mediterranean Sea, spectacular views of the coastline, the surrounding beaches, and as you can see, it goes on and on. But I'm going to just take you to the other side because you get to really appreciate the unique location where we are, because on this side you also have the most stunning views of Mar Menor. Europe's largest saltwater lagoon. All the apartments within the block are going to be featured exactly the same. So you have the same first bedroom, you have your main bathroom in the middle there, with the same type of fixtures and fittings, your open plan kitchen and living room and dining room that leads to another doorway that is the primary suite, which comes complete with spectacular views and also your own ensuite bathroom. Here, this is the penthouse that I'm standing in the terrace of. And from this balcony, I can see both. I can see both seas. I can see where the strip of the land falls, and it's absolutely divine. In the penthouse, it features not only your spacious terraces on both sides, giving you exquisite views, but you can actually go up this stairwell, and it takes you to another outdoor living space. The upstairs leads to this fantastic additional outdoor living space that can be perfect for entertaining and soaking up the expanse of the views that we have up here. So you have your swimming pool area, which would be at the front of the Mediterranean Sea, which would be overlooked by clear balustrades that go all the way round. You have the panoramic angle, though, of enjoying where you see the Mar Menor as well, almost reaching and meeting with the Mediterranean. And then, if you can imagine, this would be filled with your lovely outdoor dining furniture and lounging furniture. This would be your summer kitchen. And then you would also have a balcony with clear balustrades on this side, giving you the spectacular close-up and panoramic views that you get to enjoy here. The nitty-gritty, the property tax or EB is €600 per year, the community fee is €450 per month, and the refuse is €150 per year. This is a great apartment option if you are looking to invest in a touristic area, a sought-after location, and you're wanting to get the maximum return, especially in the high season in the months of summer. This is designed specifically for those that are interested in having a property with a view to rent. And so therefore, to purchase this property and live in it all year round is not a possibility. That being said, though, the wealth of opportunities are endless. You have two seas that you get to enjoy, Mar Menor as well as the Mediterranean Sea. Lots of touristic points of interest and very beautiful natural landscapes to enjoy all the while. Not to mention the community fee. You're probably wondering, why is it €450 per month? It does actually include a number of things that the service is offering you on site. The internet's included, water, cleaning, insurance, and much more. So if you like the listing and you'd like to know more, then do check out, my darlings, the finer details on our website, which is spainhomes.estate. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe from this gorgeous sunny location. It was lovely to see you, and I'll be seeing you next time. Hasta pronto!